Good day, everyone. I am Dr. Vakas. So, today we will try to learn how we can use the feedback activity under the Moodle platform to get feedback from the students. So, in this video, we will try to learn how we can create the feedback. This is the part one, and the second part of the video, we will try to learn how we can add different types of questions under feedback activity. So first, this is my Moodle platform where we can just, this is my dashboard. So these are the courses over there. So we will select the course to which we will going to get the feedback. So let's say this is digital marketing course. So I wish to get the feedback from the students of digital marketing. So ensure that it would be edit mode will be on to add the feedback activity. So this is the overall digital marketing model dashboard. So here we will add a separate section for feedback, or maybe we can add the feedback activity under any of the section that we want. So for me, I will add the new section here, and I will rename this section like feedback and comments, let's say. So that is the new section that I have created. So now we will add the activity of feedback under this section. So to this, you just need to click add content and just click activity or resource. So after clicking this to see, so these are the activity choices that we can do under the Moodle platform. So today we are going to understand that how we can use feedback activity. So just click on the feedback activity, and so this is the part one in which we will try to create feedback activity first, and we will try to set the behavior of the feedback, and then in the second part we will try to add the questions. Okay, so first of all we need to name this activity like we can name like course feedback, right? And then we can add some kind of description here like answer the questions. For example, let's say to show this to the students, we need to click this checkbox. Okay, so these are some of the behaviors that we can modify according to our own choices. So availability, maybe we can set the time when this feedback will be available and to what time that will be available. So we can enable this time, or maybe we if it is open just when we create this feedback, so open to the students whenever they will go to the feedback. So maybe we cannot select this one, so it's up to our own choice. So next is like question and submission settings. So if we want to see who answer what type of questions, what type of answer by which student, so maybe we can go with this choice. User's name will be logged and shown with the answer. But if we want to hide this form, just that we cannot see that who answer what type of question, something like that, so we will just select anonymous. If we allow students to go for multiple submissions, so we can go with yes, otherwise we can go with the no. And notification submission, yes, no. Auto numbering the questions, we can go with the auto numbering of the question as well. So these are the options that we can set with the yes or no based on what type of feedback or what type of question we are going to ask. Then the next behavior is after submission. If we want that the analysis of the question should be seen by the students after the submission, so we can go with the yes, that student can see that how many questions come to the option 1, option 2, option 3 of question 1, or question 2, how many click option 3, option 4, so they will see the analysis. But if we don't want to show them what are the answers of the other students or other students choices, so we will just click no. So, or maybe we can send us or show the specific message to them like thanks for your feedback, right? So we can go with this as well. So at the end of the feedback activity, after filling the question, so student can see this message. So we can type any type of message, otherwise we can just remain this box blank if we don't want to write something. Okay, this is the activity, the point there. If we want to attach that activity with some other activity, that after completing the feedback, the student will move to another section or another type of feedback. So we just type here the link of that activity, that after clicking this, student will move to the next activity. Otherwise, we can just put it blank. And then these are some common modules. There is nothing activity or nothing we can just do. It just remains at these are. And then we will click save and return to course. So if we click this one, so our feedback activity is being created on online learning portal. So here we can see that this feedback is already created. So this is the part one, that how we can create a feedback.